Tingin mo ba walang direksyon yung buhay mo? Ang dami mo ng problema, discouragement na nagpapabigat sa'yo. Hindi mo na rin alam kung paano ito susolusyonan. Perhaps this video could help you solve that. By simply practicing positive affirmation. Gaano nga ba ka-importante ang positive affirmation sa buhay natin? It may help boost your self-esteem and improve your mood. Sa bawat pagising, dapat kinakausap natin yung sarili natin sa harap na salamin. To build more confidence, speak to yourself as you would to a friend. With kindness and encouragement, you're awesome, great, beautiful, and unstoppable. Gaano man kahirap ang sitwasyon mo, always work on building your self-confidence. Find something that makes you truly happy. This is how we overcome negative thoughts. Pwede kang mag-download ng at least 5 minutes sa YouTube. Search mo lang yung positive affirmation. Pwede rin yung kanta na Unstoppable by Sia and Hall of Fame by The Script. Lagi kong pinapatugtog yan bago ko simulan yung araw ko or habang nagja-jogging. Bukod sa gratitude, napakahalaga rin ng affirmation. If you win the morning, you win the day. And ayun lang. This is day 1 of the ARC project, and yes, I accept this challenge. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!